Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited for today's video. I'm going to show you all my assets, liabilities, and my progress to financial independence. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join me on this journey to financial independence. My total net worth for the month of July 2021 is... On this channel, I talk about all things finance, wealth building, and how you can achieve the life of your dreams through financial independence. Let me start off with showing you how to calculate your own net worth. Net worth is easily calculated by adding up all your assets, like your cash, your stocks, and even home equity. Then we subtract all our liabilities, like student loans, credit cards, and car loans. The resulting number is your net worth. Let's start things off with my assets. I've listed them here in different categories: cash, investments, and home equity. Starting off with my cash positions, I always keep $1,000 in actual cash in case of emergencies. According to surveys, 69% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency. I believe everyone should keep a minimum of $1,000 in cash as a basic emergency fund, as a small buffer to protect yourself from going into debt over something small. Next, I have 4 different checkings and savings accounts. Each one of these accounts have a different purpose. First, I have my Chase checking account. This is my central account where I get my paychecks and then send money to various accounts from. At the end of July, there is currently $3,500 in the account. Next is my BECU checking account. The money in here is used to pay off my credit card bill every month. I just paid the bill, so there's only $200 left in this account. Next up, I have my Capital One 360 high interest savings account. The money in this account is used to pay for my mortgage every month. I top it off every month so I never have less than $7,000 at any given time. This is also an emergency fund of sorts. In case anything happens, I have enough money in this account to pay my mortgage for 4 months. Lastly is my Yada Bank high interest savings account. This is a new bank which operates a lottery system. You get 1 ticket every week for every $50 you have in the account, and then there's a Powerball drawing every day. At the end of the week, you get a certain amount of money based on how many matching numbers you have. I put $7,000 in the account and I just reinvest everything I win, and it pays monthly interest on top. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a referral link in the description where you can get 100 free tickets. Moving on, we have my investment accounts. First is my Chase brokerage. This was my very first investment account I ever started. I invested $14,000 from high school jobs I had as a teenager, and I never invested another penny. That $14,000 has grown on its own to $41,000 today after a few years. I'm probably just going to leave this account alone until I retire. Next is my fire fund in the Robinhood account. At the end of July, this account was valued at just under $61,000. I try to invest at least $1,000 a week into this account as I want it to produce my main source of income for early retirement. If you want to see what's in this account, make sure you check out my Fire Fund Friday series that I'll link in the description below. The next 2 accounts here is for my company stock. The first one is my ESPP cash account. An ESPP, or Employee Stock Purchase Plan, is offered by many companies where employees can contribute money every paycheck to buy company stock at a 10% discount once every quarter. There's currently about $800 in this account. Below that, we have the actual brokerage account where my company stock is stored. Whether I get it through vesting or ESPP purchases, it's all stored in there. I currently own $77,000 worth of my company stock. Then lastly, we have my BlockFi account. BlockFi is a crypto wallet that pays high interest in the form of more crypto. I don't have much crypto anymore, but what I do have is stored in here and I get paid interest in the form of more crypto every month. Next up, we have my 401k retirement plan. Nothing fancy here, just 4 index funds focused on growth and income. I currently have $107,000 in this account. Lastly, we have my home. I have two numbers here. One is the appraised value of my property, and the other is the Zillow's estimate based on current housing market in the area. I don't think the Zillow estimate is accurate, so I just used the appraised value in my net worth calculation. My total liquid assets, which is my stocks and cash, totals $308,924. My total assets including my rental property is $814,924. That's it for the assets section. Now let's walk through my liabilities. Here, you can see there are not many items listed. I do not like debt, but I do use it as a tool. For example, I opened a new credit card when I needed to make a big purchase earlier this year. The card offered a $200 bonus for using $2,000 within the first 3 months, and 0% interest for the first year. I knew I had a big expense coming up, and I saw this as an opportunity to get $200 discount on that expense, and that's exactly what I did. I have two credit cards. One is my BECU Cashback Visa, which I use for things like gas and food. I also put my quarterly school payments on this card and pay it off every month. This month's balance currently sits around $360. Next is my Chase Freedom Unlimited card. This was the card I opened for the cash bonus and 0% interest. I'm slowly paying it off while there's no interest, but when that promotion is about to end, I'll just pay off the balance completely. Lastly, I have my mortgage, which is around $310,000. This mortgage is being used to cash flow my rental property. The rent I collect covers the entire mortgage, and there's enough cash left over to create a positive stream of passive income every month. I'm using the bank's money to make more money. My total debts for the month of July 2021 is $312,082.90. Alright, that was all my assets and liabilities. Now let's check out the net worth sheet. My goal for every month is a 2% increase over last month plus $4,000. So if 2% is $8,000, then my goal is $8,000 plus $4,000, or $12,000 a month. Here, you can see I've been tracking my net worth for the last 7 months. Our total assets for the month of July 2021 is $814,924. And our liabilities for the month is $312,809.90, bringing our total net worth to $502,121.10. Our net worth went up by over $32,000, an increase of 6.39% over last month, bringing us halfway to our goal of $1 million. It's amazing to be halfway to our goal in such a short amount of time. The first half of the journey is always the hardest, because that's when you're first getting the ball rolling. Once your investments break 6 figures, they actually compound pretty quickly. I expect the next 500,000 to take half the time as the first. I really hope that I'll be able to continue this growth and possibly even accelerate it over the next few months and years. When I reach my goal net worth of 1 million, I will have achieved my FIRE number and unlocked my financial freedom for life. This doesn't mean I will quit my job. It just means I can choose to work or do anything else I want, whenever I want. That's the true purpose of this journey, to live your life on your terms. If you guys have any questions or are wondering how you can get started on your own journey, leave me a comment below and I'll be sure to respond. Besides that, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already to join me on this journey, and it really helps out the channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.